How you going, boys and girls? This is Muds, Mods and Beers. Right now, it is Sunday night on Mother's Day, and we have decided to go for a night wheel or an afternoon wheel. And we got ourselves into a bit of a situation here. We got a debedded tyre, flat. We have come up this track, and it's obviously very difficult with massive step ups. And we're a bit stuck here. We have to fix this wheel and get through it. So grab a cold one, sit down and enjoy the episode.
Alright guys, so Richo unfortunately is not able to be with us on this trip due to Mother's Day responsibilities, but me, Baz and a couple of the other boys are heading down to Ormeau this afternoon. Bit of just, cheeky Sunday session. So we also got Lockie's LM106 here this afternoon as well. Been locked up in the shed for a while, so it'd be good to see her back out in action. So yeah, we'll keep you updated.
You're all good, man. It just must be the angle in the carb. Yeah, turn up into it now. Watch out for the tree. Yep.
Yeah. That angle, it knocks. I remember coming through here. You got the locker on?
Go back. Whoa.
Aim for the right side.
Yeah, your right hand side. Yeah, that's the line. That's the one, yep. Yeah, it'll come, they're all good. Yeah, just come up and around.
It feels like worse than this.
Yeah, now turn into it. Yeah, nice. Easy done. It's just technical, eh? Like wheel placements on these rocks and stuff.
over these rocks.
Yeah.
Right a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. There go that.
Nah, looks like you hung up.
Go back, go back, go back.
That's high as low.
Yeah.
Go back. That is your... You probably have 10 centimeters before I start. Let's see back. You can go back.
It's that, oh, you see that rock? It's hung up on his diff at the back there. That's what's stopping it.
Try go forward and go that way a bit if you can, that way.
Hold on, we're just going to see if we can pop over it first.
No, you're going to hit the rock slider. On the rock slider.
Mine's at the yeah, winch that, yep.
Belly.
There's a big step down there, and basically you have to hit it at the right approach angle.
Wait, have you got your
Otherwise,
you got your face?
otherwise you will bottom out.
Yeah.
You hit your ball by there, and then you'll bottom out on your tow bar, and then you get stuck right about there.
Yeah, right.
And then obviously there's some big holes here where he's stuck, and he's on his sliders.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all about when you go up and the angle that you go up on to get up that.
Yeah, that tree up on the left, sweet.
Stop! Other way.
Find out what happens next. This is what this is. What is it?
This is no good.
No good at all.
No.
Give us an update of the situation.
Well, we got a DB tyre here.
Right here, in the middle of the hardest obstacle on the track.
We're on a rock slider. He's on this bumper. I can't go backwards, so I have to winch up and just drag the car up. A little bit of right, yeah, like that. Just winch on. He's got to get off it. Stop! No. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. He can't do anything. He's going to try go backwards, Ryan.
Oh, your winch out.
Out.
Whoa. Come out.
Other way. Wait on, we got to make the decision here whether we go backwards or not. That has to be fixed.
You don't have a spare.
No good.
That might be a turnaround.
But
I don't want to do damage on this either.
we're like 3/4 up.
Other way.
Of the track. What do you say take like 3 hours?
Yeah, because of this shit.
So after this, it's almost done pretty much.
Huh?
So we got a little
Yeah,
bit
so
more.
what, you got like maybe like 100 meter hill climb, really.
True.
Yeah. So it's like, that would be an easier way out.
Left hand down, Ryan.
Oh, okay.
Trying to spin all of us around.
Yeah.
There's not much we can do about that. But if he can get down off this, if he can get off this and get down to there, then we'll turn around.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Up it
Keep
will.
going.
Keep going.
Stop.
Stop there.
Oh, at least it's not debeated. But we don't have anything to pump it up.
So, you come around and have a look at the damage here. Damage the rim, which is in turn lost a bead. So I've got a flat. Car's not in a very good angle, so we're a bit limited on tools. We'll see what we can do to see if we can get this tyre repaired. Otherwise, we're gonna have to try and get on the flat to try and change it with the spare. So wish me luck. Oh, that's his valve cap. You can see it's where that leaf is. See there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to kick the tyre over on and hammer backwards. This is no good. Not right. Who doesn't
Dude, maybe to get maybe to get you out of trouble, if we can jack this up, I've got a 5-stud spare. It'll be a different size, but you can use that just to get you out of trouble. I've only got like my different offset. I've only got one zero offset one. Because I don't really going to fix this here.
No, they're the same tyres. You got 205s, don't you?
305s.
305s. Oh.
So I finally got car jacked up to a point. Baz did not bring a spare, but luckily we have another 5-stud spare. We're going to change her over.
Hey, has anyone got a ratchet strap? While he's doing that, I reckon we just put that on the pump and see if it does anything. While he's doing that.
Nah, full. You can do it, maybe run the...
Oh no, is the centre bore big enough? Sure.
It's not.
Centre
You
bore.
go down further. Big one.
Just do like comparison.
Hey!
Yeah, center bore is big enough.
I might move the car here on. Chibi. Home, Big Mum. Home.
You want me to send it home?
Yeah, home.
5-stud.
Go home. No.
As you can see here, boys, we've got the wheel back on. Life is good.
Yeah.
We're back on the road.
Extra ground clearance now.
Whoa, slow. Let's just reevaluate now. We should be able to get you up this with good wheel placement.
That's what I reckon. I reckon he comes up straight, maybe a little bit of right. Literally comes up straight as he is. I reckon.
More than that.
Do whatever you did before.